children, today we are going to start a new chapter number 7, that is our agriculture. So let's discuss its part 1. Here we can see some pictures. What are they? These all are the pictures of crops. Now the question arises, how do we grow crops? Here in this slide you are seeing the heading of agriculture. What is agriculture and the importance of agriculture to our society? Agriculture is also known as farming. It is the process of growing of crops and rearing of animals. In our daily life, we need food items like fruits, vegetables, eggs. They all come from plants and animals. Now we will discuss the importance of agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of India. It is the major source of occupation and significant contributor in the Indian economy. Agriculture comprises of cultivation of crops for food and fodder. About 80% of India's population is doing agriculture. As we know that in India, agriculture is the main occupation. So, to show the importance to agriculture, there are many festivals celebrated in India which relate to agriculture like Baisakhi, Lohri, Onam, Pongal, etc. They are the harvesting festivals. To know more about agriculture, first we will discuss the types of crops. There are two types of crops, food crops and cash crops. So in this picture you can see different types of crops which include food and cash crops. Now we will note the difference between food crops and cash crops. So first we will learn about food crops. Many types of crops are grown in India. Some crops are grown because they are used daily by a large number of people as food items. These are known as food crops. For example, rice and wheat. So children, here we can see few examples of food crops like millets, rice, maize and wheat. So here you can see a table of food crops. Here are some food crops like rice, wheat, millets and pulses. Here you can see the ideal climate needed for these food crops, like rice needed hot and wet climate, wheat needed cool and moist climate, millets needed hot and dry climate and pulses needed dry climate. Here are the states in which they are grown. Rice grown in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Wheat grown in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab. Millets grown in Karnataka, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Pulses grown in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan. So here in these maps you can see the major areas in which rice and wheat type of food crops are grown. As we have learnt the table of food crops. So now we will learn about cash crops. Some crops are grown mostly because of their value in the market. Farmers grow these crops to earn money by selling them. These are called cash crops. For example, tea, coffee, etc. Here you can see in this picture some cash crops are here like cotton, jute, tea, sugarcane, coffee. So here we can see the table of cash crops. Here you can see some cash crops like tea, coffee, jute and cotton. The ideal climate needed for these cash crops are tea, hot and moist, coffee, hot and wet, jute, hot and wet and cotton hot and moist. States like in which these are grown: West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Assam and Kerala. Coffee. Now coffee states in which they are grown: Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Jute, West Bengal, Bihar, Assam. Cotton, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. So here in these maps you can see the major areas in which cotton and coffee type of cash crops are grown. As we have learned the table of cash crops. So here is an activity for you. You have to find out how many families in your neighborhood are doing agriculture as their occupation. You have to write the number of families doing agriculture as their occupation in this table, and you have to find out how many of them are growing food crops and how many of them are growing cash crops. You will write in this table over here. Thank you.